Our newly developed flogging cabin has a very clear and solid machine frame. The cabin weighs around 700 kilograms. Through to the use of high-quality raw materials, this stands for absolute durability. We have created a complete package which the customer can place directly and with which he can start working immediately. We work with a filter separator which is designed in the form of a baffle plate. The cabin is characterized by the fact that we separate the flock directly in the baffle plate. We have installed a single-stage filter system with an integrated suction system in the cabin. It's a very compact product which is characterized by 4 machine feet that can be used as rollers as well as machine foods. We have a total height of 2,5 meters, which makes the product suitable for even smaller spaces to use. Although we have a wide variety of working heights and only the grade needs to be adjusted at the working height. The main benefit for our customers are definitely that because of the newly developed separator plate, they get a much higher separation rate from flock to air. Due to the design of a very compact cabin, despite the filter unit and the extraction unit, only 70 centimeters rear up in our total cabin depth. You can simply plug and play the product anywhere and don't have to worry about any extraction or where to put the filter unit. Maag Flock stands for the art of engineering made in Germany. We stand for durability and quality.